Hello guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. Welcome all my ninjas. I hope everybody is excited and ready for PnC lecture number 2. If you guys are excited, give me a thumbs up quickly guys. Hi Asim, Advait, Ninja Guy, welcome. Navami, Sri Charan, Banu, Maruti, welcome guys. So amazing to see everybody ready and pumped up for this session. Let's have a great time together guys. Hi Uncharted, Pinky, welcome. Very good, very good. So guys, did you all revise what you studied yesterday with me? We started off with permutation and combination. We looked at the fundamental principle of counting, a very important theorem, and I'm sure you guys are able to use it very effectively now. So today I'm going to build on top of it. We will exactly take off from where we left yesterday. So are you all ready? Hi all-rounder, welcome. Harini, welcome. Aditi Sable, I'm doing great. Welcome. So nice to see many of you here. Great job guys, great job. So let's begin. So today we are going to look at lecture number 2 of PnC. And before we get started, I would like to introduce myself for all those students who are coming here for the first time. Guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach maths at Vedantu and this JEE English channel. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like JEE Mains, KVPY, and I cleared all of them. So if you want to get closer to me, if you want to ask your doubts, then this is a place to be in. So this is my Instagram ID. It will be available to you at the end of the session. So you guys can download the PDF, click on it and follow me on Instagram. Okay? Hi Sonu, welcome. Hi Hari Rampal, welcome. NCERT example 12 is your doubt. All-rounder, if you want to ask doubts, then you have to message me in Instagram, send me a picture of the question and I will help you. Okay, so that is how it usually works. So let's begin. Before we get started, I want everybody to follow this channel religiously because guys, I have told this before, we are going to take responsibility for all of you. And that is a very powerful commitment. And I hope you understand the seriousness of that. We are going to assure you that we will take care of you until your JEE Mains. Whatever exams come, whatever assignments you need, we will help you with that. But all I need is some sincerity and hard work from your side. Okay? So this is the schedule. Like I said, we are lecture number 2 right now. Tomorrow we'll have lecture number 3 and then I'll have integration. So that is the mathematics schedule, and you also have the mentee sessions going on. Tomorrow you have an amazing session on mentee with Shimon Sir. He will be continuing with circular motion, work power energy and center of mass. Then you have chemistry as well. You will have states of matter. So mark all these, try to be a part of it so that you energize the teacher and they will give you the best content possible. Okay. Now moving on. Guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe, and if you haven't liked the videos, give it a like because that really boosts the energy of teachers and that will be a very, very harmonious effect and that will return to you manifolds. I can guarantee you that. Okay. Hi Abhay Panda, welcome man. Brilliant, brilliant guys. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna exactly start off from where I stopped yesterday. So yesterday, did you guys note down these important formulas? These are the important formulas which I gave you yesterday. Did everyone make a note of it? Everybody clear with this? So let me quickly explain some of them. So the first formula is NPR. It helps us to estimate what is the value of the number of permutations possible when you take R objects from N distinct objects. So if I have 10 objects and if I want to select 5 and arrange them, it is 10p5. And how do I calculate 10p5? It is nothing but 10 factorial by 10 minus 5 factorial. Are you all clear with it? So that is how we estimate the number of ways of permuting 5 objects, selecting them from 10. Are you all clear? Now, the second formula that I have given you here is nothing but selection, combination. Many of you ask me this doubt. Sir, if I have to understand the chapter in one line, how should I understand it? What is permutation and what is combination? Permutation means arrangement. Combination means selection. That is a rough idea which I want everybody to understand. Got it, guys? Now, when I talk about combination, it means selecting. For example, there are so many students here today. I want to select one person to be the class leader, to be the ninja leader. So how do I select that ninja leader? So let us say there are 50 students. So I will select 1 from 50. So that is the number of ways. So that is the number of ways in which I can select one person out of 50 people who are present here. So this is the answer. But I want numbers. Nah? We all are very comfortable with numbers. I can't just leave it like this. If I leave it like this, then you don't interpret it well. I want to get the exact number. So that is where these formulas are very helpful. What is the formula? NCR is nothing but n factorial. So it will be 50 factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So it will be 1 factorial into 50 minus 1 factorial. So the number of ways is 50 factorial by 1 into 49 factorial, which will be 50. So the total number of ways in which I can select one ninja leader from amongst all our ninjas over here is going to be 50. Got it? Are you guys able to understand that? So did you all grasp the formula which I have given here? So whenever you learn something abstract, whenever you learn with a lot of characters, alphabet and no numbers, I would recommend you to apply it by giving some numbers so that you understand and you visualize it. Because I want you guys to get a hands-on experience. That will stick with you for longer. Now that I gave you this example, you will never forget what is NPR. You will never forget what is NCR. Are you all clear with it? So shall we move forward, guys? So let us proceed now and have a look at the next set of formulas that I have for you. Now this is very important. Whatever I have shown you here, I want everybody to pay attention. And guys, this is the second time you are doing it. Why? Because I have already spoken about these formulas under the chapter binomial theorem. How many of you agree with me on that? So if you guys are here for the first time, please go back and check the binomial theorem, quadratic, complex numbers lectures which I have already taken. Okay. So what is the first one? The first one says NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Why is that correct? Because let me write it down. What is NCR? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now what is NC n minus r? NC n minus r is n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial. So don't you think these two are the same? I just used the formula which I gave it to you in the previous slide. Now based on that formula, can I say these two quantities are always equal? Are you guys able to understand it now? Everybody cool with it? Hi Gayatri, very warm welcome. I'm so glad you could make it. Now guys, I want everybody to respond. Are you guys able to follow this? Abhay Panda, Archana, Shreya, all you guys, I want answers from you all. Are you all able to understand this? That NCR is equal to NC n minus R? Very good, very good. For example, like Kirito said, 4C1 is equal to 4C4 minus 1. So that is nothing but 4C3. So why is this formula important? What is the formula that is used over here? Okay. So guys, you have to understand something very important over here. Listen carefully. So if I ask you, for example, let's say 25cx is equal to 25cy. Can you tell me what this means? Can you tell me what this means? If I say 25cx is equal to 25cy, can you infer something from here? You can say that either x is equal to y, you can say that either x is equal to y, or you can also say that your x plus y is equal to 25. Don't you all agree? Yes? Very good, Sri Charan. That's absolutely right. Very good, Jumana. That's perfectly right. You guys are awesome. So that is the way to do it. So whenever you have NCR is equal to NC n minus R, you should know that they both are equal. So if I say 25CX is equal to 25CY, then there are two possibilities. Very good, Rameshwaran. That's absolutely right. Got it? So you have either x equal to y or you will have x plus y equal to 25. Everybody clear with that? Everybody clear with that, guys? So shall I move forward? Done? So let us move ahead to the next formula which I have for you over here. Let's try to have a look at it. So here we have NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. So that is again a very beautiful formula which was used in binomial theorem as well. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? And then this is again very important, and I'll show you how to apply it. So for example, if you have NCR, it says it is nothing but n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. Very easy to apply. For example, if I have 6C3, I can say it is 6 by 3 5C2. Don't you all agree with me on that? Yes? Everybody clear with it? Are you all able to follow, guys? So this is the way to do it. Now you can cancel 6 by 3 as 2 and you can write it as 6C3 is equal to 2 into 5C2. Okay? Yes? Perfect. So that is the way to do it. That is the way you apply this particular expression over here. Exactly, Rameshwaran. This chapter has a lot of good simplifications. But don't worry, what I have given you here is the list of most important ones. I have not given you anything apart from those required for JEE Mains. That's it. Okay? Perfect. So with that, let us move forward. The last one I'll read about it. Okay. So guys, do you all understand that when you have NCR, when will this be maximum? I told you about this in binomial theorem. When will the binomial theorem coefficient be maximum? It will be maximum when it is a middle term. Do you guys remember that? Do you guys remember that? The coefficient of the middle term is going to be the highest one. Are you all able to recollect that? So that is exactly what is happening over here. Now that we have NCR, when do you think it will be maximum? It will be maximum when R is equal to n by 2, if n is even. If n is even. If n is odd, there will be two terms. It will be R equal to n minus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd. So please keep that in mind because they are all very important. These are all from binomial theorem. I just wanted to recollect them. Yeah, Siva, that's not a problem, man. I'm used to sweating. So, are you all clear with it? So, shall we move forward? Rameshwaran, yes, absolutely. This chapter has a lot of connection with binomial theorem because look at the coefficients. We have NCR over here, right? Everybody clear? So, shall we move ahead, people? Perfect. So now let's try to use it in a question. I want you guys to think. Now that I have taught you, you all should be able to think about it and do it. Please give it a try. Okay. Okay, Abe. So Kirito, the fourth formula is again derived from this. You remember this, no? NCR by NCR minus 1 will be what? N minus R plus 1 divided by R. Got it? You remember this now, Kirito? I have given this also in your binomial theorem chapter. Okay, guys, this is also a very important formula. Please make a note of it in case you have not used it before. Harini, in questions, I will show you how to use them. For example, even in this question, we will use it, Harini. Sri Charan says it is option B. What about others? Guys, are you all able to solve it? I want everybody to let me know. Are you guys with me in the class? All of you? So shall we go ahead and try and solve this question? Can you guys give me a thumbs up if you have understood it, whatever I have explained until now? I want a huge thumbs up from all my ninjas so that I know you guys are with me. Very good, Maruti. Maruti Marla, you guys are amazing. Perfect, Maruti. That's amazing. Great work. Let's check it whether you did it correct. Okay, keep going. Shreya is getting it. Okay. What about Gayatri? Gayatri says C. We will check it, Gayatri. What about the others? What about Sonu? Did you get the answer, Sonu? We have answers from Kirito. Kirito says A. Okay, let's check it. So first of all, guys, 20CR is equal to 20C R minus 10. So can I say R is equal to R minus 10? So this is one possibility. Or the other possibility is R plus R minus 10 is equal to 20. Are you guys able to follow that? Yes, everybody. So this is not possible because R cannot be equal to R minus 10. Everybody clear? Now, if I do this, I will get 2R is equal to 30 and I will get R is equal to 15. So the answer is R is 15. So we want to calculate 18CR. So it is 18C15 and that is going to be 18 factorial by 15 factorial into 3 factorial. So this is my answer. So that will be how much? 16 into 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 into 3. Are you able to understand, Harini? Are you able to understand, guys? Very good, Joshua. It is absolutely what you said. Very good job. Joshua has done it absolutely right. Very good, Harini. Very good, Banu. Uncharted says C. Kirito says C. So let us check what is the answer. But did you all understand the method? Ara Shaikh is also right. Very good, Ara. Brilliant work. I'm so happy that everybody is participating and you guys are all trying to solve it. That is amazing, guys. That is absolutely amazing. Exactly, Siva. Vedant says C. So guys, the answer is your option C because when you divide it, Joshua, you are supposed to get 816. Okay. You are supposed to get 816 when you divide it by 6. Everybody clear? So shall I proceed? Maruti Marla is right. Banu, it is option C. Hi Paul, welcome man. So nice to see you back here again. Everybody fine with it? So shall I move forward? Let's go ahead. Am I allowed to use calculator? Nope. Never. Guys, you cannot use calculator, okay? Not for these calculations. If any log is coming, I can agree. But not over here. So guys, if you are enjoying the classes at Vedantu, the channels at Vedantu, the JEE channel, the Enthuse channel, lots of amazing features brought to you, then you have to check out the Pro subscription at Vedantu because that includes the best content with the best teachers and in the best platform of India. So Vedantu is the first online institute. I'm sure you guys are aware of the fact. So if you want to be a part of this system, then check it out. We have teachers with more than 5+ years of experience teaching toppers. We have classes in Hindi as well as English. And you guys can be a part of the crash course as well. So we have the JEE crash course, NEET crash course, KVPY crash course. So if you want to write any exam, then definitely take help. That will definitely help you get a better rank because we have toppers in all these exams. Vedantu's KVPY course has helped crack many KVPY scholarships. Many students from Vedantu's internal batch have cleared KVPY. And then even in IIT Advanced, last year we had All India rank 38 and this year we had All India rank 43. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go for it, check it out. We have it for the 22 batch, the ones who are in 11th standard right now, and we also have a discount going on right now at 20%. So this is the coupon code. I have shared the link on the chat. So click on that link, use the coupon code, and we will meet in the regular sessions. Okay? So with that, let's continue. This is the next question for you. Please do it, guys, all of you. Okay, Kirito. Harini, you'll have to practice solving questions in Cengage. So try to buy a standard textbook, solve questions, and you will learn when to use what. So basically, Harini, permutation is used for arrangement questions and combination is used for selection based questions. Okay, so that is the basic difference. See, you will have to put some effort into it. You will have to take your NCERT textbook, solve it, and then go for Arihant or go for Cengage, and only then you will improve, Harini. Okay, so don't get scared seeing, sir, when will I apply permutation? When will I apply combination? I'm not able to understand. No, you have to first take the book. You'll have to give it a try. Because if you don't even try, then it will forever remain a mystery to you. So if you want to break the mystery, you'll have to experience it. You'll have to go inside the book. Got it? So please do that. That is my advice for you. So we have many people getting this right. So amazing, guys. I am happy that everybody has solved it correct. The answer is option A. The answer is in fact option A. So how do we do it? Listen very carefully. We want to form 3-digit numbers. And we are given only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally there are how many digits? 6 choices we have. We have how many choices? 6 choices. But from the 6, I cannot use 0 in the first place. So first place I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 choices. Second place, how many choices I have? If repetition is allowed, I will have 6 choices for second place and 6 choices for the third place. Because here I will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also I will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is with repetition. So they will all be multiplied because first place 5 ways and second place 6 ways and third place 6 ways. So it is going to be 180. So that is the answer for the first part, when repetition is allowed. Did you all understand that? Everybody? Yes. So Kirito remembers the star. So if you guys have got it absolutely right, then you will get a star. Because that's the right answer. But wait a minute, we are not completely done. Why? Because we need to find out when your repetition is not allowed. So let's say we have the same 3 digits. So if repetition is not allowed, again the first place 5 ways I can fill. First place I can fill 5 ways because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the second place I can have only 5 ways because I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in this, one of them goes away. One of them goes away. We don't know which one, but one of them will be already present here. So I cannot include that. So remaining I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 5 ways. And then what do I have? The last one will be 4 ways because one goes here, one goes here. Remaining only 4 choices I have. So that will be equal to how much? That will be equal to 100. So that is the answer, 180 and 100. If you guys got that right, then you will all get a star. Shreya, because we want 3-digit numbers. So if I say starting digit is 0, then it will become 2-digit number, na? Then it will become 2-digit number, na? Are you able to understand, Shreya? So starting digit cannot be 0. That is the way you do it. Are you all able to understand? Very good, Maruti. That's absolutely right. What about the others? What about Paul? What about Joshua? Are you guys able to understand it, guys? Very good, Vedant. That's awesome. So let's proceed, guys. Let's quickly move ahead to the next one. Very good, Kunal. So here we go, guys. The next question is over here. Now I want to teach you something very, very important. So now I'm going to teach you permutation. So Harini, what does permutation mean? Permutation means arrangement. So when I have few identical objects, for example, I want to arrange the letters of the word mummy. So how do I arrange it? What is the number of permutation? So if you do not know, everybody will say 6 factorial. But that is wrong. That is wrong. Why is that wrong? Because here, if you see M, M, M is being repeated. So in that case, what I will do is, I will divide by how many times M repeats. So that is the correct answer. Are you all clear? Now don't worry, I am not going to simply give you the formula and I am not going to make you guys memorize. So let's try to observe how it works. So when I have A, B, C, how many permutations are possible? There are 3 factorial permutation. That is nothing but 6. So that is nothing but ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA and CAB, CBA. These are the 6 permutations which are possible. I hope you guys are clear with it. All of you. Everybody clear with it? So now I'm going to make a small change. Instead of ABC, I'm going to have AAC. So how many permutations I can have? ACA I can have, CAA I can have. So now because 2 are identical, I have only 3 such ways. So how can I get this? This is nothing but 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Are you guys able to understand why I divide by 2 factorial? Because it will repeat. Because it will repeat. Are you guys able to get that? Everybody? So shall we go to this question now? Can you guys try it? Banu, are you sure? Check it, Banu. Because Maruti Marla is right. Maruti Marla is right. I want everybody to get the same answer. Please try it out, guys. Very good, Abhay. I'm so happy that we are doing exactly what is going on in your school. That's nice, so that you can revise even better. So shall we discuss it? Yes, Gayatri, take care. So we will try to solve this question. Listen carefully, guys. So how many M's I have? I have 1 M, I have 4 I, and I'll have 4 S, and I have 2 P. So this is all the letters of the word Mississippi. Isn't that correct? So how do I find the number of permutations? So totally I have how many letters? Totally I have 11 letters. Did you guys calculate that? Totally I have 11 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So it's going to be 11 factorial by 4 factorial because of I, and then again 4 factorial because of S, and again 2 factorial because of P, and 1 factorial because of M. So this is my answer. Did you guys get that? Did you guys get that, everybody? Was it amazing? Very simple concept, and now everybody has learned how to apply it. Are you all fine with it, guys? Yes, the answer is option B. I hope everybody is able to follow. In case you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask. I want you guys to participate. This has to be a very, very effective and productive class. Got it? Brilliant, guys. Amazing work. So if you're all done with this, I'm going to move forward to the next question, and the next question is brilliant. The next question is brilliant. You guys will enjoy it because it is not very simple. You have to think. You have to think. And guys, let me tell you something here. This can be a JEE Mains question. This can be a Pakka JEE Mains level question. So you have to be ready to solve such level. You will have to be ready to solve such level questions. Okay? So what is the question asking? Find all the permutation of the letters of the word mathematics, which starts with consonants only. I hope everybody knows what are consonants. Consonants are all the letters apart from vowels. Consonants are all the letters apart from vowels. What are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U constitute the vowels, and everything apart from that will be consonants only. Are you guys able to get that? Everybody. So shall I help you, or you guys want to do it? Hi Vamsi, welcome. Vaishnavi. Uncharted. Uncharted says A. Sir, you're teaching class 1. Yes, Rameshwaram. Because consonants we don't study after that. Yes, Kirito, please do it. Welcome, Vaishnavi. So nice to have you here. Welcome back. So we have study saying that it is option A. Banu Prakash, that question is over. I want you to try this one. Kirito says 10 factorial. Okay. Option E. So Kirito is designing new options. Maruti Marla says 5 into 10 factorial by 8. Okay, we will check it. Everybody is confident that it is option A. Okay, let me check it. So guys, this is a good question. Okay, first of all, understand that this is a good question. So what do I have here? Let's write down the letters. I have 2M, I have 2 A's, I have 2 T's, then I have H, I have E, I have I, C and S. Do you guys agree? Do you guys agree with me on this? Everybody clear? Now, the starting letter can be M or T. Now this case I will consider separately because there are 2 M's and 2 T's. So I will consider them separately. So if M or T comes here, how many places I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many digits are there? 6 plus 5, 11, right? So there are 10 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in these 10, you will have 2 same, you will have 2 same, again 2 same, and you will have H, E, I, C, S. Are you guys able to understand that? Everybody. And one from over here. One different. Let me explain it. Guys, the first letter can be a consonant. Now consonants can be M, T, H, C, S. Let me repeat. The consonants can be M, T, H, C, S. But please understand, I want everybody to understand that you cannot consider all of them together. You'll have to consider M and T separately. Why M and T separately I have to consider? Because they are all present 2 in number. Okay. So let us say M or T is in the beginning. So I have 2 choices and the remaining ones can be filled in 10 factorial by 2 factorial ways. Are you guys able to get that? Are you guys able to get that? Everybody fine with it? Very good, Maruti. Maruti Merla, now you said that is the right answer. So for that, you get a star, Maruti. You are absolutely right. So Ajo, what I am trying to say is, so Ajo, the first letter, I want it to be M or T. Okay, so let's forget it, Ashok. Ajo is saying, sir, can you please explain it again? So let me take some time. Hi Takshit, welcome man. So Ajo, do you agree that there are totally 11 letters? There are totally 11 letters. Okay, so Ajo, I am saying the first letter is M. Got it? The first letter is M. Now all these, what it will have, Ajo? It will have M, it will have 2T, it will have 2A, and it will have HEICS. So this is nothing but 10 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial. Is this easy to understand? Is this easy to understand? Because this is 10 digits, 10 letters. And in that 2 T's and 2 A's are there. So that is why I divided by 2 factorial 2 factorial. Are you guys able to understand now? Yes? Everybody is able to follow that? Now what will happen? This is for M. Now I can have T also. If I have a T also, what will change? Now this will change. You will have a T and 2M over here. So don't you think it will be the same 10 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial? Are you able to understand? Because if I use one T over here, the next T will be present in these 10 with 2A, 2M, HEICS. Got it? Are you now able to understand it, guys? I want everybody to respond. If you have a doubt, feel free to ask. Because I want you to go back with a free mind. I want you to go back with the right concept in your head. Got it? Very good, guys. Brilliant. So now that M and T are done, what else can come here? You can also have HCS. Now these three I can consider together because they are all single. So I have three choices for the first place. And what do I have here? Here I'll have 2M, I'll have 2T, I'll have 2A and the remaining letters. Are you all clear with that? Everybody, you'll have E, you'll have I and the remaining 2 letters from here. So this will be 10 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial 2 factorial because 2, 2, 2. So combined you will get the answer. Combined you will get the answer. It's a very good question, guys. It's a very good question. That is why I said you can get it in your JEE mains. So if I combine it, what will I get? I will get 2 into 10 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial plus 3 into 10 factorial by 2 factorial 2 factorial 2 factorial. So this is your answer. I hope you guys got it. I hope you guys got it. This will be option C. So Maruti Neta was the first one to get it. And we also have many other students. Sri Charan. And we also have Rameshwaran. Very good, guys. Superb. Ajo, I'm so happy that you understood it. Siva, did you understand it, Siva? What about Kiran Kumar? Kiran Kumar also got it right. Very good. What about the others? Uncharted. Everybody clear with it? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Very good, Sonu. Good, Harini. That's awesome. Yes, Banu Prakash. That's absolutely right. The answer is option C. Okay. Yes, Asim. I will explain it quickly once more. So listen carefully. So here, let me repeat it from here. So first of all, Asim, do you agree? These are the collection of the letters. We have 2M, we have 2 A's, we have 2 T's, and then we have HEICS. Now consonants means all the letters apart from vowels. Isn't that correct, Asim? So the consonants are M, T, H, C, S. Do you understand that? Let me repeat it. The consonants are M, T, H, C, S. But I cannot consider all of them together, Asim, because M and T are 2 and 2 in number, whereas H, C, S are single. So I consider M and T separately and I consider HCS separately. So if I consider words starting with M, so we have 10 places to fill now. We have 10 places to fill, and in these 10 places I have 2 T's, 1 M, 2 A, HEICS. So this is nothing but what they have given here. Did you understand it, Asim? Because if you count all of this, it will be 10. So that will be 10 factorial by 2 factorial because there are 2 T's and 2 A's. That is why we divide by 2 factorial. Got it? Are you able to understand now? I hope it is clear. Good question. Go through it. Try to put your pen to paper. I want you guys to put some effort. You have to put your pen to paper, solve it, and when you encounter difficulty, let me know in Instagram or let me know in the Telegram group. I will try to help you out. Okay? Perfect. So with that, let us proceed, guys. We have a lot to cover. Hurry up, people. Everybody. I want all of you to solve it. Please do it. Very good, Ajo. That's awesome. Telegram ID, I am not very sure about it, man. I think Instagram ID is better. Telegram group, you can find me. I'll be there in the group. Jumana says B. I have no idea what is the answer, but B doesn't seem like it. No. Guys, if you want to reach out, either use Telegram or use Instagram. I am active on both the places. In fact, I am more active on Instagram. So if you have doubts to ask me, I would recommend going to Instagram. Okay? And just message me. I will get back to you within a day. I usually respond to everybody's message within a single day. Okay? Uncharted says D. So what about others? Sonu also says D. Okay, let me check it. So guys, the answer is option A. It is 65, which nobody has answered. Which nobody has answered until now. So I get a star. I'll give a star to myself. So I'll draw a good star. Yeah. So that's for me. Okay. So guys, why is the answer option A? Because, see, at least one digit is repeated. Listen, I'm going to write something. I want everybody to pay attention. Can I say, very, very short technique I'm going to teach you. Listen very carefully. At least one digit repeated is equal to, can I say total minus no digit repeated? Are you guys able to understand? How many of you are able to understand this? Everybody able to get this now? This is the easiest way to solve it. So now, if you want to find how many 3-digit numbers are possible using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3-digit numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of digits is the one without any restriction. So it will be 5 into 5 into 5. So the total itself is 125. So the total itself is 125. Who was saying D? How can it be possible? It can never be more than 125. Okay. Minus no digit repeated means all the three are distinct. So 5 into 4 into 3, 60. So answer is amazing. Did you guys like that? Did you guys like this? Everybody. Amazing, na? This is what I want you guys to practice. You guys have to get better. You have to get much better. And guys, it is easy. People complicate it, but it is actually easy. Just take your NCERT. Start from the lowest level. Even if you're finding NCERT difficult, go to 10th standard. Start from probability. Take R.D. Sharma. Take NCERT. Then go to miscellaneous questions. Then come to Cengage or go to Aryanth. Like that, you have to make your process enjoyable. Okay? So I want you guys to take it as a challenge. Please do that. Yes, Shiva, this is a shortcut and that is how you reach the answer. Very simple to get it. Was it difficult? Did you understand it, Shiva? So I use the shortcut logic to get the answer. Everybody clear? So Harini, no digit repeated means I want all the 3 digits to be distinct. So for first place, I have 5 options now, Harini. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 options for the first place. Now the second place should be a different digit. So if it is a different digit, I have only 4 options because it cannot be the first one. And similarly, the third one should be another different one. So there are only 3 ways. So that is why 5 into 4 into 3 to 60 ways of getting all of them different. Because no digit repeated means all of them are different now, Harini. That is the meaning of it. If no digit is repeated, that means all of them are different, right? Are you able to understand? So that is why I found out the number of ways in which all of them are going to be different. Clear? Did you understand it now, Harini? So that is exactly what I did. Brilliant, brilliant. I'm so happy that you got it. So let us move forward to the next one over here. This is again an amazing question. So this is what I call as a gap method. I call this as the gap method. Okay. So try to solve it, guys. We are trying to cover amazing concepts using questions. Please do it. Can you give us practical examples for this question? That's not possible. Corona is there, so I cannot give you an example for this one. Maybe for the previous one, yes, I can. Okay. Try it, Shreya. Everybody try it out, guys. Come on. Govardhan says C. Uncharted says D. Sanjay is saying D. Very good, Sanjay. Very good, Uncharted. You guys are all absolutely right. Because the answer is option D. Good job. Good job, guys. 70 mm is also right. Yeah, Shreya, I just understood. No problem. So yeah, let's try to solve it, guys. Listen carefully now. So what do we have? We have 5 boys and 5 girls. And you have to arrange in such a way that no 2 boys are together. So first what I'll do is, I will arrange the 5 girls. I will arrange the 5 girls. So when I arrange the 5 girls, do you understand that there will be 6 gaps in between them? Are you guys able to understand that? There are totally 6 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 gaps. Now, the girls can be arranged in 5 factorial ways because all the girls are distinct. All the girls are distinct, so they will be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Now, how can the boys be arranged? So to arrange the boys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places, but only 5 boys. So, in 6 places, I have to arrange 5 boys. So, 6p5. Did you understand that, Harini? Harini, did you understand that? 6 places, permute 5. So, 6p5. 6 places, arrange 5. Got it? So that is why Sanjay was correct and so was Uncharted. Uncharted, very good work. That's absolutely right. Yes, this situation is impossible. Now that Corona is there, I think the movie theaters are like this, guys. So they make people sit alternate. So it is not going to be boy, girl, but it is going to be boy, empty seat, and then the next person. Yes. I don't know whether you have seen that. So the theaters, everything is right now following social distancing. Yes, Siva, did you understand it, Siva? You want me to explain again? So let me explain it again. Siva, this is called as the gap method. Whenever you want to make sure that they sit alternate, you have to do this. Okay, so first you arrange the girls, Siva. The girls can be arranged in 5 factorial ways because there are 5 girls and all of them are distinct. Okay, so that is why I put 5 factorial. And means multiply. I taught you that yesterday. So you multiply and then what happens next? Next, what happens is you guys will have to arrange the boys. Now for boys, Siva, you have totally how many places? 6 places, na? So in these 6 places, you have to arrange 5 boys only. So 6 place, arrange 5. Arrange means permutation. So 6p5. Got it? Are you guys clear? Very good, very good. And Sanjay, don't worry, I'm coming up with a lot of plans for 2021 batch also. We have already done many sprint, Sanjay. You can check out the channel. I have done a lot of sprint on differential calculus. So next week we will start with integration. Okay, that is on Friday. So please do wait for it. Very good, guys. So let us move ahead to the next question. Let's proceed. Now, circular permutation. This is amazing. This is amazing. I want everybody to listen very carefully here. Guys, many times students find this concept very difficult, but you know what? It is actually pretty easy, guys. I'm going to make it super simple for you. Okay. So Banu Prakash is saying, sir, can you teach us block method also? Okay. So let's look at block method. So let me do that quickly. So many of you are asking, sir, what is block method? Because whenever we study gap method, my teacher has mentioned block method also. What is that? Can you tell me? So let me repeat it very quickly. So guys, block method is used when you want people to come together. Okay. For example, there are 4 boys and 3 girls. Okay. So I want to ask you, how many ways can you permute? How many ways can you arrange them in a row such that the girls are always together? In how many ways can you arrange in such a way that the girls are always together? How do you do that? You take boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, and then girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, you put them in a bag. You put the girls in a bag and you consider the bag as 1 unit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So 5 people can be permuted in 5 factorial ways, and inside the bag the girls can permute in. So this is the answer. This is what I call as the block method. Why block? Because these 3 girls are together considered as a single block. Did you guys understand that? Everybody? Did you guys understand that method? Okay. Very good, Harini. That's awesome. Now, if you guys are all clear with this example, this is the simplest example which you can get. Okay. If 2 of those girls were twins, then you have to divide by 2 factorial. That's it. Okay. That's how it goes. Why not 4 into 4 factorial? Because you want them to stay together now. You want them to stay together, na Rameshwaran. So if you say 4 into 4 factorial, they will not be together. So that is why we use the block method over here. Got it? So let's get back to circular permutation. So what is circular permutation? So the simplest formula is when you have n objects, the number of circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial. The number of circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial. Got it? If boys are together, it will be 4 into 4 factorial. That is correct. You are right, Rameshwaran. You are right, Rameshwaran. If boys are together, what you said is correct. Okay. Dominic, gap method is used for sitting them alternatively. Block method is used to ensure that one group remains together. Okay, block method is used when you want to have one group together. Got it? Yes, Kiran. Okay, so guys, if you have 3 objects, let's say A, B, C, how many linear permutations are there? How many ways can you arrange them in a row? In a row you can arrange them in, but in a circle you can arrange them in. Why, sir? Sir, why? In a circle it is 2 factorial, but in a row it is 3 factorial. I don't understand, sir. You explain correctly. I don't understand this. Let's explain in a very easy way that you can all understand. Okay? Now listen carefully. Now when I arrange in a row if I arrange, what are the various permutation? Do you guys agree this is a various permutation? Do you guys agree this is the various permutation? Are you all clear with it? Now I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write all of them. A, B, C. Then we have A, C, B. Then we have B, A, C. Then we have B, C, A. Then we have C, A, B. Then we have C, B, A. Now do you guys agree? Do you guys agree that A, B, C, and then we have, what do we have? B, C, A, and then we have A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Where is C, A, B? Don't you think these 3 are the same? Don't you think these 3 are the same? Because I can just rotate my circle and I will get that. I can just rotate my circle and I can get that. Are you all able to understand that? So in a circular arrangement, 1, 2, 3 are the same. And similarly, these 3 are also the same. So effectively, how many different permutations I have? I have effectively only 2 different permutations. Are you guys able to understand that? Everybody? Did you guys get it? Was it understandable now? So this is why the number of circular permutations are lesser. Okay? So the direct formula is n minus 1 factorial. So that is because you see 3 circular permutation, 3 linear permutation gives you only 1. And similarly these 3 gives you only 1. So when you have n objects, n of them will give you only 1 circular permutation. I hope you guys got that. So that is why it becomes n minus 1 factorial. Clear? So what do you have to remember? When they ask you the number of circular permutation of 5 objects, it is 4 factorial. If they ask you the number of circular permutation of 10 objects, it is 9 factorial. But now, here also there is a twist. Here also there is a twist. What is the twist? The twist is you can have clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement to be same. So that can happen in the case of a garland. That can happen in the case of a bead. or necklace, or you have flowers. So in case of these inanimate objects, you will have the circular permutation to be n minus 1 factorial by 2. Why n minus 1 factorial by 2? Because you can flip it around. So when you have a garland, you can see a garland from this side as well as that side. So because of that, you will have repetitions. So please remember, in the very simplest manner, when you have a garland, bead or a necklace or a flower, then it will be n minus 1 factorial by 2. Why? Because you can see it from the front as well as the back. That is the simplest way to understand it. I hope you guys are clear. Let's go to questions now. Please solve it, guys. Please solve it, all of you. Yes, for wheels as well, Shreya, you're right. Anything which you can look from front as well as from the back. So that is the easiest way of understanding it, and there you'll have to divide by 2. Hi Satyam, welcome. Kyoma, welcome. Shaken problems are in selection, Ajo. I will talk about it in the next class. Hi Asutosh, welcome man, so nice to have you here. Yes, Kyoma, no problem, welcome. Banu saying 9 factorial. No Banu, look at it carefully. Banu, it's a tough question, it's not very easy. Alternatively, Banu. It is not however you want to make them sit. No. What you said is however they can sit. Sir, I just have 10 students, 5 boys and 5 girls. Just ask them to sit in a circle. Then what you told is correct. But I want to sit them in an alternative fashion. I want to make them sit in an alternative fashion. Then how do you do it? So listen carefully. What will I do? First, I will take the boys. The boys will take the 5 places, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Now, when the boys are sitting, there will be how many gaps? There will be how many gaps? There will be 5 gaps. Okay, so how many ways can the boys sit? The boys can sit in 4 factorial ways. Do you agree with me on that? Do you agree that the boys can sit in 4 factorial ways? Because the boys are first seated on a circle, right? So 5 boys on a circle will be 4 factorial. But now I have to make the girls sit. The girls have 5 places and the girls can sit in 5 factorial ways. Now people will ask, sir, girls alone you are giving 5 factorial, but boys are putting 4 factorial. What is that, sir? Partiality. Guys, when the boys are sitting, the positions are fixed. So it is no more circular permutation because the positions are fixed. So if I take this girl is sitting in between 3 and 2 boy. Got it? So when I fix the boys and then put the girls, it is going to be 5 factorial for the girls. Are you able to understand that? Is everybody able to follow that? Very good Kirito, very good Shravani, Jumana, Sri Charan. You guys are all absolutely right. You all get a star. It is option A which is the right answer. Uncharted, please let me know what is your doubt. I want to clarify it for you. I want to clarify all your doubts. So please feel free to ask. I want you guys to let me know what confusions you have in your head so that I can simplify it for you. Okay, let me know quickly, guys. So Govardhan, what I did was, yes, Shreya, I will explain it. So Shreya, we want the boys and girls to sit alternatively around a round table. Okay, so first I want to make the boys sit down. I am using the gap method, Shreya. So whenever we want to use gap method, we'll have to first make one of them sit down, right? So I make the boys sit down, Asim. So before anything happens, Shreya, the circle is like this. This is the round table. In the round table, I want to arrange 5 boys. In how many ways can I do that? In the round table, if I want to arrange 5 boys, in how many ways can I do that? I can do that in 4 factorial ways, because 5 boys on a circle will be 4 factorial. Did you understand that, Asim? Now did you understand that, Asim? Because in circular arrangement, n objects will become n minus 1 factorial. Got it? So now that the 5 boys are placed, so these are the 5 boys, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So they are placed in 4 factorial ways. And what will I do? I will place the girls. So girls have how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So 5 places and we have 5 girls. So it is into 5p5. So that is nothing but 4 factorial into . So that's the answer. I hope you guys are all clear. So shall we proceed, guys? Everybody done with this? Yep. Okay, cool. Ajo, in Chennai everything is normal, man, now. Okay, can you guys do this? This is a straightforward question. Banu, 144 is not right. The answer is 2880. Very good, Kirito. Kirito is super fast. Very good, Asim. Absolutely right. But Maruti Marla, you forgot something. Answer is by 2, Maruti. Because it is diamonds on a necklace. So it is n minus 1 factorial by 2. Please don't forget this. Okay. Are you guys clear? So the answer is, so it is gonna be 360. Okay. Are you all clear? Everybody? So Maruti, whenever you have a necklace, garland, beads, flower, everything, you'll have to divide by 2. Okay. Are you guys okay with that? Everybody? Brilliant job, guys. Awesome. So that's about it. So with that, we will come to combination. I will discuss that in the next class, that is tomorrow. And I will probably remove these slides so that you guys won't look at the answers. Now, so guys, like I said, if you are liking the sessions at Vedantu, then please check out the Pro subscription. The Pro subscription is available for a 20% discount, and the classes here will be even better organized, because here we have 11th and 12th going simultaneously. But if you want a very clear focus on your topic, your class students, and a very fun environment, then please do check it out. You will see it and you will know the difference. So the coupon code is given here. And this is the Telegram link if you want to be up to date with all the announcements. And finally, if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and spread the word, guys, because it will motivate me and the other teachers a lot, and we will definitely come up with the best content for you. Okay, so guys, take care, all the very best, do well in life, stay safe and reach your best heights. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next one.